truck in front. Can't see anything, so I'm in the hang back position. I can now see around him, and there's obstacles in the way, and a school crossing sign, so I just hold back. I can see the right hand bend coming up, so I can't overtake because I haven't got a view. Now I can see through the inside of the truck. I'm going to have a little peek out, but I'm not going to overtake because there's another right hand bend coming up. Now I can see a left hand bend, so I'm just going to tuck in behind the truck, be patient and wait. Now I'm going to have a look. Oh, there's a gap there. Okay, see subs. B. Now I'm going back in because I've got no view over that bump in the road. If the truck had been on his correct side of the road, I could have safely overtaken him, but he decided to straddle the middle lane for some strange reason. Now I've got no view again, so I'll just be patient and wait. I'm going to creep up a little bit on him now because I think I may have a straight stretch of road, but there's a white van coming my way, so I'm just going to tuck in behind the truck, see what happens to the white van. Actually it's a white truck that is parked, or a bus that's parked. Now I'm going to have a little peek out again. He's signalling to overtake something, which is probably a trike. Oh no, it's a motorcycle. Now I've got a trike coming towards me and a right hand bend, so I can't overtake. Now he's braking the truck, that is, for the bend. So I'm just going to have to get in behind the truck again and be patient. Yes, I can see right up the inside of the truck. I'm signalling, I'm checking my mirrors. I'm going to beat my horn for the benefit of the truck and this pedestrian on the left hand side. Now I'm going to check in my mirrors to see if I've passed the truck and I can move back in to my correct side of the road safely. A brilliant overtaking manoeuvre. Well done, Mr. Bentley.